Got a sore throat that just won't go away? Constant coughing keeping you up at night? In this video, I'll share one of the best home remedies for cough and sore throat. Quick, easy, and made with ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Step 1. Take 1 cup of warm water. Not too hot, not too cold. Add half a teaspoon of salt, stir well, and gargle for at least 30 seconds. Do this 2 to 3 times a day. This helps reduce throat inflammation, kill bacteria, and soothe irritation. Step 2. Make a natural ginger honey tea. Boil a few slices of fresh ginger in 1 cup of water until it's reduced by half. Pour into a mug, add 1 tablespoon of honey, and sip slowly. Ginger helps fight inflammation, and honey coats the throat, giving you fast relief from coughing and soreness. Combining these 2 remedies can bring fast, natural relief for sore throat and cough without any medication. I have tried this myself, and the results are amazing. Try it today and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more natural home remedies.